Welcome to the BoldSign tool tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to convert images to PDF online for free using the BoldSign image to PDF converter. This tool lets you quickly turn your images into a single PDF, completely free with no sign-up required, and your files remain secured directly in your browser. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the BoldSign image to PDF converter page. You can find the link in the video description below. Here, you can drag and drop your image files, or click Select Files to upload them from your device. Go ahead and upload your images. Once uploaded, your images will be displayed in the preview area. You can rearrange the images in the order you want, rotate them, duplicate them, preview them if needed, or remove any unwanted files. If you want to add more images, simply click Add Images and continue uploading. Next, review the layout and formatting options. You can adjust the page orientation, define the page size from the preset values, or specify margins, depending on how you want your final PDF to look. Once everything looks good, click Download to save the PDF to your device. You can download the files as a single document or as separate PDFs. Your images will be instantly converted into a high-quality PDF file with no watermarks. And that's it. A quick and easy way to convert images to PDF using BoldSign. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more BoldSign tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.